Hi.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, so can you introduce yourself?
I am Maria Belen Ojong Villanueva, who was born on February 20, 1985, and as of now, I am 20 years of age. I am legally married.
Okay, so did you ask permission to your husband?
Of course, sir, and he agreed.
Okay, so it's clear that you said to him that you want to be a domestic helper in Malaysia.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how about your children? Who will take care of your children when you go abroad to work?
My husband, sir, my parents, and my parents-in-law.
So it's okay for them to take care of your children?
Yes, sir.
Did you already talk to them?
Yes, and they all agreed.
So did you ask permission to them also?
Yes.
Okay, so will you miss your family, especially your children, when you go abroad to work?
Yes, of course, sir, I will.
So what will you do if you miss your family and you're already in Malaysia?
I will bear in my mind that I'm gonna do this for our future.
Okay, that's great. So can you tell me about your working experience?
I cook, sir, first thing in the morning. I swept the backyards, water the plants.
You've been a housemaid?
Yeah. Yes,
For
sir.
how many years?
For 6 years. And then I wash the clothes, and I wash the plates, and I mop also the floors.
So you work as a housemaid there
All around.
in cleaning only,
Yeah. In cleaning and also washing the clothes.
washing the clothes all around.
All
How about
around.
cooking?
Cooking also, pero not all foods.
Not all foods.
Basic only.
But are you willing to?
Especially fried.
Fried.
Oo.
So are you willing to learn how to cook Malaysian
I am
dishes?
willing to be trained.
You're willing to be trained. Okay. So how about taking care of children? Do you have any experience in taking care of children?
I have on my 3 kids.
So it means that you're confident enough
Yeah.
to take care of their children. Okay. Do you have any experience in taking care of elderly or sick person?
My grandparents also.
So what about your grandparents? Can you tell me?
I'm taking them a bath. I change
Why?
their clothes. Sometimes when they got sick and they're old enough, so I handle them and also feeding them.
Okay, so if your employer in Malaysia will be asking you to take care of elderly or sick person, are you very willing to take care of?
Very, sir, very willing.
So for all of that core responsibilities, you're willing to do that in Malaysia?
Yes, I'm willing.
Okay. So are you willing to wait for 2 to 3 months processing period?
I am willing to wait, sir.
Okay. And are you very sure you want to make this application as a domestic helper in Malaysia?
Very much, sir.
Great. So why do you want to work as a domestic helper?
I want to earn more, sir, because working abroad is a big help in preparing for my kids and my family's future.
Why? Because of the salary?
Yeah,
Okay. And why did you choose Malaysia?
because Malaysia offers a bigger salary than the others.
Okay. So, are you willing to clean a big house? Because in Malaysia, commonly, there are big houses.
Very much willing.
Are you used to cleaning a big house?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm sorry, sir?
Are you used of cleaning a big house?
Yes, sir. I used to clean
Big house.
a big house
Okay. Great. So,
up and down.
okay, cleaning alone. I mean, if you
Yeah.
will be working alone, it's okay for you.
Okay, it's okay for me.
How about if you accompany another housemate?
It's okay lang din. It's very much okay.
It's very much okay. Working in a long distance communication with your family.
Yeah, okay. It's very much okay.
Okay, so for example, if I am a employer and I'm going to choose one housemaid, how can you convince me to hire you as my domestic helper?
I will work hard, sir. I will be responsible enough on my duties, and I can say I will do my best to give you the best or the 100% of good service.
Okay. And what can you promise to your employer if they will select you?
I will promise to finish my contract.
Finish your contract.
Yes.
So can you tell me some of your attitudes and characters that will mostly uplift yourself as a domestic helper?
I have a big patience. I'm understanding. I also I am a working hard person. That's all. And I'm kind.
Okay. So you said that you have a big patience. How can you prove to me that you have a patience?
if for all people, we have our own attitudes. I just simply
Determine the attitude to your skills. Okay. So, do you want to say anything else?
no more, sir.
So, what will be your employer's advantage if they will select you rather than selecting a ex-abroad?
I will finish my contract and I will work hard for them.
You will give your 100%
Good service.
Okay, so Miss Maria Belen Villanueva, do you want to say anything else to your employer if they will watch this in the future?
Hi, sir. I hope that you're gonna choose me as your domestic helper, and that's all.
Say thank you.
Thank you, sir, and thank you very much, sir.
Okay, so thank you Maria Belen Villanueva and see you in Malaysia soon.
Hope to see you soon, sir.